Hello everyone, this is me Rashmi Oja. Welcome to Nixie Ki Pathshala. Today we will gonna study about another verb, dare and need. So let's get started. What is dare? दुस्साहस कैसे किया तुमने ये करने का? Need is our requirement. If I say she does not dare to come here, वो यहाँ आने की हिम्मत नहीं करेगी. So here also I have used dare to. Whenever I am using dare with to, or if I say need to, so these are helping verb. If I say I need to help him, here also I have used need to. So whenever in a sentence you use to after need, it is a helping verb. Need is a here will be used as helping verb, not as a main verb. Why? बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी सबसे ज़्यादा जोर किस पे पड़ रहा है, स्ट्रेस किस पे आ रहा है, तो आप देख सकते हो आई नीड टू हेल्प हिम, मुझे उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए, मदद पे आ रहा है. बट इफ आई से आई नीड यू, सो हियर नीड इज वेयर वी आर स्ट्रेसिंग और मेजरली टॉकिंग अबाउट. So here it is a main verb, but the same need is working as a helping verb in a sentence when to is used after need. Okay, but whenever we make a sentence we have a doubt where we use need and needs. What's the difference? Okay, so let's see. When we say need is our requirement, but when I say needs, here I am talking about desire. Need could be your basic requirement, food, clothes, house or whatever. That is your like major requirement. आपके living के लिए वो requirement हो सकती है, आपको किसी काम करने के लिए मतलब उसकी ज़रूरत है. लेकिन needs आपकी desire, जो आप चाहते हो, wishes आपकी fulfill. Needs is generally used whenever we talk about our desires or something. Okay, if I say I need new clothes, something like this. Okay, so here it is your requirement, but if I say these are my needs, okay, so here I am talking about desires. Okay, so this is the basic difference between need and need. And where do we use these verbs? Let's see. Need is used for generally for first, second person. Needs is used for third singular person. He, she, it, okay, etc. So whenever I am talking about third singular person, we will use needs. If I say she needs your help, I cannot say she need your help. Here I will say she needs your help. But if I am using it for the first person, I will say I need your help. But if I am using it for the third plural person, then I will use need. I can say they need our help. Okay, so need is used for the first, second and the third plural. Okay, so these are the basic differences in need and needs. Generally we use it in a positive sentence, need, and so whenever we are using it in positive sentence, like she needs your help, suppose if I am saying. So here I have used needs, but we can even say that I need to do something. This is a positive sentence. Or if I say she does not dare to come here, here also I have used to after dare. So this is a helping word, but if I had to use it in negative sentence, if I am using not after dare or need, it is a negative sentence. If I say you dare not come here, or if I say she need not come here. Whenever we are saying you dare not come here or she need not come here. Generally we use to after need or dare, but here I have not used to, because whenever we use not after dare or not after need, we cannot use to in this. We cannot use to in this sentence. Whenever we are talking about negative sentence and using not, we cannot use to after need and dare. This is also a basic thing that you need to know, that in negative sentence we cannot use to with need and dare. So that's it for today. I hope you guys understood what is need and dare and where we use these two verbs. And if anybody still have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.